Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to come on and share with you a small Joann's haul. I picked up a few things the other day and I just thought I'd come on and share with you really quickly. I picked up some of the new Park Lane items at Joann's and I just wanted to share how super cute. I picked up these unicorn stickers. It looks like this. And then it has a really pretty rainbow on the back that says Dream On, and it's really, it's in glitter, so it's sparkly. And then I picked up these really pretty yellow tassels, and I thought those are really pretty. And they were on sale. I cannot remember how much I paid for them, but I know that they were probably 40% off or 50. And this one says Friends Are the Spice of Life, and you get 2 stickers. And this one says Nothing Comes Between Me and My Bestie. And I thought, oh, that's super cute. And they're like clear stickers. And then I picked up these really pretty paper clips, and they're perfect for planners. And it comes in the light pink and in that darker pink. And I thought those are really, really pretty. So I picked up those. And then the other thing that I picked up, I actually picked up a gift card for my mother because it was her, it was Mother's Day. And I was late with my gift, and she loves to sew. So I picked my mother up a gift card. And I also picked up this really pretty bag. This was on sale, I think, for $10 at Joann's when I went a few days ago. And it says, I make pretty things. And it's a very pretty canvas. And then it has this like faux leather on the inside of the handles, which I thought was really nice. And then it does have a pocket right there. And it's a nice size bag. And then on the bottom, it has the faux leather as well. So I figured this would be a really nice bag to take to a crop or scrapbook expo that's coming up. So that is why I picked up that. And then the last thing that I did pick up was just a hand towel that said USA, and it had the cute little fringe. I thought that was super cute, so I picked up that. So that is my little Joann's haul today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.